Now, summarizing what is the history, known congenital heart disease 30-year-old male, 2 episodes of hemoptysis, grade 2 dyspnea, recurrent respiratory infections and significant family history. Family history, the patient, similarly his brother also is having a similar complaint of congenital heart disease. Now, what is the clue? It is a congenital heart disease. We should have in mind congenital heart disease, either cyanotic or acyanotic. If it is acyanotic, it is septal defect or it is without septal defect. For the cyanotic heart disease, increased pulmonary flow or decreased pulmonary flow. This is what is important. This is how you approach a congenital heart disease. If it is a decreased pulmonary flow, that is tetralogy of Fallot, there will be no history of recurrent respiratory infection in childhood. It's the septal defect with increased flow always produces recurrent respiratory infection in childhood. That is the clue that this patient is probably having a septal defect. Hemoptysis could be due to the patient could have gone for a failure. No history of PND orthopnea, no left heart failure. Chest pain, palpitations for arrhythmia. Syncope, not for aortic stenosis. Decreased cerebral perfusion could be due to cardiac failure or due to a conduction abnormality, complete heart block. This patient is classically, it suggests there is a septal defect. The patient is having a septal defect, acyanotic, because there is no history of cyanosis. Can there be a cyanotic heart disease that is not having cyanosis? Very unlikely, except in the initial 5 years of life or 10 years of life, when the patient is called pink fallow. Pink fallow in the sense, the infundibular pulmonary stenosis is less. Infundibular pulmonary stenosis is less. If it is less, more blood can flow to the pulmonary circulation. If it is infundibular stenosis severe, blood flows to the aorta, systemic circulation, that is deoxygenated blood, more of deoxygenated blood goes to the systemic circulation, produces more cyanosis. If the degree of pulmonary stenosis, infundibular stenosis is less, the patient may not have much cyanosis. It is called pink fallow. It's a rare condition. With this in mind, you are suspecting a acyanotic heart disease. Most probably it is a septal defect because of recurrent respiratory infections. Other congenital heart disease without septal defects, valve abnormalities and other aortic root dilatation and other conditions. Very rare.